Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 2 Maxx Hatch, stock reference number 4619. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through the 8th month 2007. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. Left-hand guard appears to have no damage, a little bit of paint fade on the top edge. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, also a bit of clear peeling. Left front door, 2 small dents. Left rear door, 3 small dents. Left rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents, as does the right front door. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.